Good morning students. Welcome back to online classes. Today we will start new chapter, that is ninth chapter, financial management. Okay, financial management. Okay, tell me, what do you mean by finance? What is finance? Finance. Finance, it is very important for running the business. Finance, it is very important. Finance is very important for running the business. Okay, finance is very important for running the business. Every business, all business, if they want to do the business, means compulsory they want money. Compulsory they want some funds. Funds, capital, both are same. Okay, and success of business always depends upon the how well they invested the funds in the business and operations. The success of every business depends upon the how well they invested the funds in the business and operation. Okay, if they want to success means compulsory, if they want to invest money means compulsory they have to first check 2 or 3 times. Otherwise, they can't run the business effectively. If they want to invest the funds means compulsory they have to check. They have to check and how much marketing price is there. What they have to check means first they have to check how much marketing price is there. What is the share value, and if we will invest means we are getting profit or not, and when we will get the profit, means everything where they have to check, and after that they have to invest the funds. Otherwise they can't get the money returned back. Okay, almost all business activities require finance. Okay, almost all business require finance here. What purpose they want means here, what purpose they want means finance is need to buying the materials. First, if we want to purchase materials means compulsory we want money, right? Yes, and buying the materials and modernizing in the business, modernizing, expansion of business, expansion of business, and paying bills, paying bills and salary, buying assets. Example for assets, building. If they want to buy building means compulsory they want money here. Compulsory they want finance. Otherwise they can't purchase building also. Building, machinery, building, machinery and furniture, computer, and if they want to buy stationery, they want money. Yes, what purpose they want finance means produce goods and services means before that we want raw materials and we have to purchase first. And even we have to modernize the business. If we want to modernize the business means compulsory we want some money. Means modernizing means we are adopting the new technology. Modernizing means we are adopting the new technology in the organization. New technology adoption or update. New technology if we want to adopt means compulsory we want finance. Compulsory we want funds. Okay, and next is expansion of the business. Expansion of the business means example, I want to open new branch in another city. Example, I have one business in Kolar and even I have to open in, example I will take Mulbagal. Okay, if I want to open in Mulbagal means compulsory they want money. Compulsory they want money here. If I want to open new branch means compulsory they want finance. Compulsory they want funds. What purpose they are using means for that purpose they are using the funds here. And next is paying the bills. Yes, they have to pay rent and they have to pay water bill. They have to pay electricity bill. What are the bills they will pay means, see here, they have to pay water bill here. Water bill, electricity bill, and rent. And if it is there any office expenses means they will pay here. Postage bills. If you will post anything from here to other area, here to other place means compulsory we have to give some amount. That is also bill. Okay. And next is salary. Every month the organization they have to pay the salary here. Every month they have to pay salary. Every month they will pay the salary. If they want to pay salary means they need finance here. They should maintain capital here. They should maintain the money here. Otherwise they can't run the business effectively. Okay. And why we need finance means buying assets. If we want to buy the assets means compulsory we want money means we are purchasing building, machinery. If we want to purchase building means compulsory we want money. And machinery, if we want to purchase machinery means we want money. Yes. And furniture also and computer also. If we want to purchase computer means we want. And stationery. Stationery if we want means, what is stationery means? Books, pens and files. Books, pens, files, and these are all stationery only. Okay. If you want to purchase means compulsory we want money. Otherwise we can't purchase. If you will give money means they will give. Otherwise they will not give. That is the main reason they want funds. If they want to run business means compulsory they want these are all things. Otherwise they can't run the business effectively. Okay. See here students, finance it is very important and soul of the business. Finance it is very important and soul of business. It is very important and soul of the business. And even finance it is needed to run the business and day-to-day transaction also. Day-to-day they want to run the business or operations means compulsory they want finance year. If you want to run the business, day-to-day transactions means it's minimum. If it is small industry means minimum they want 2 to 3 lakhs they want day-to-day transaction for that. Means finance is very important. If you have finance means at the time you can we can business run easily, otherwise we can't. Okay, and even it is money, funds and finance, these are all same thing only. In accounts we will call money, that is finance. Finance it is money which is required to carry out of the business activity is called as a business finance or finance. Okay, see here students, finance is very important for running the business here. Yes, it is very important. Without finance they can't run the business. It is the soul of the business. Finance is a soul of the business. Okay, and it is finance it is needed. What purpose they are using the finance here means if they want to purchase or buying the material means compulsory they want finance. And modernizing, expansion of business, paying the bills. What are the bills they are paying means water bill, electricity bill, rent. If they want to pay means compulsory they need finance here. And if they want to modernize means compulsory they want finance here. See here, if they want to new technology adoption means compulsory they want money. Okay, if we want to pay salary, if business, the businessman they in every company most of all 99% they have employees means up to 1500 3000 employees. In large industries means 3000. In small industries means up to 500 employees minimum. Okay, they have to pay salary monthly, otherwise they will not work. If they want to work means we have to pay the salary. That's why we need finance. And next is buying the assets. What are the assets we are buying means building, machinery, furniture, computer and stationery. If you want to purchase means compulsory we need finance, otherwise we can't purchase here. Means and even finance is needed to required to run the business effectively. Without finance we can't do anything in the organization. Okay, next we will see what do you mean by business finance. See, business finance. What do you mean by business finance means the money required for carrying out business activities is called as business finance. What do you mean by business finance means the money which is required for carrying out of the business activities. What are the business activities means already I told. Means here it is buying the materials. Okay, what are the business activities means buying the materials and paying bills, expansion of the business, expansion of business. For that purpose, we require money here. What purpose we are using? What are the business activities? Means buying the material, expansion, modernizing, and buying the resources, buying the material. Why we need to purchase materials means if we want, we need to produce the goods here. If we want to manufacture the goods means compulsory we need first what we want? Raw materials we want. Means we want raw materials compulsory we have to purchase first. Otherwise we can't get it. Okay? What is by business finance? Business finance it is money required for carrying out of the business activities. Is called as a business finance. Means buying the what are the business activities? Means buying the materials, paying the bills, modernizing, expansion of the business. This is business finance. And I think all of you understood what do you mean by finance and what is business finance. Okay, we will understand next what do you mean by financial management. Financial management. Okay. Okay, tell me what is the financial management? Financial management. It is a process. What is the financial management? Financial management is a process and it is an activity. Financial management is a process and it is an activity. Financial management. Financial management means planning, organizing, directing and controlling the financial activities such as procurement and utilization of funds in the business or enterprise is called as a financial management. What do you mean by financial management? Means it is planning, organizing, directing, controlling the financial activities such as procurement and utilization of the business is called as a financial management. Means what they will do means if they want to utilize the funds means before that they will plan effectively. First they will plan how we have to utilize the funds in that year. First they will plan. With the help of the plan they will organize. And in that organizing after that they will direct to the employees. Next the last one is they will controlling the financial activities. What are the financial activities means? It is means manufacturing the goods and services, modernization, expansion, buying, paying the salaries, bills. These are all financial activities only. Okay, they will plan. If they want to gain profit means compulsory they will plan first. Okay, objectives. First they will fix the mission, goals they will fix, and with the help of that they are going to plan and they are going to organize, they are going to direct, they are going to control here. First they need data, information they need required. If they don't have any information, data means they can't plan effectively. So if they want to plan means compulsory they know what's the now present situation, and if they know present situation means they have to plan for that present situation only. Okay, see here, financial management means first they will plan and after that they will organize. With the help of that they are going to organize here, and next direct, they will next control, and next what they will control means financial activities. What are the financial activities means utilization of the funds and procurement is called as a financial management. Okay, next is definition of financial management. According to Gutman and Dognals. According to Gutman and Dognals. According to Gutman and Dognals, financial management means it is a activity. It is activity concerned with planning, organizing, directing, controlling and administrating. Who will administrate here? Means CEO of the organization. Okay, administrating the funds used in the business is known as financial management. Is known as financial management. According to Goldman and Dognals, financial management means it is an activity. Means I told already. Financial management, it is a process and it is an activity which is concerned with the planning, organizing, directing, controlling and administrating funds used in the business. Means if they want to use funds means before that they will plan. First they will plan, after that they will organize, after they will direct, and after that they will control, and even they will administrate. Means you have to do it like this. You have to use funds. You have to use for this funds only. Within this period, you have to finish this work. Who will administrate? The manager will first the CEO of the business they will execute. Means they will tell to manager. The manager will tell to the employees. Means you have to finish within this work within this time period. Means if they will finish the target means at the time we can plan for next also. That is the main reason. First they will plan, after that they will organize, after that they will direct and they will control the business activities or financial activities year. Okay, see here students, this is meaning and this is definition. Maybe they will ask for 2 marks. 2 marks. What do you mean by financial management means? You have to write this meaning. It is very easy. Financial management means planning, organizing, directing, controlling the financial activities such as what are the activities? Means procurement and utilization of the funds in the business is called as a financial management. Okay, what is definition of the last means? According to Beckman and Ginnell, financial management means is an activity which is concerned with the planning, organizing, controlling, directing and administrating the funds used in the business is called as a financial management. Next we will see what are the objectives of the financial management. Okay. If you know meaning it correctly means, and we can assume what are the objectives we are getting, it will come in financial management. Objectives. Okay. First is they will utilize the funds effectively. Means utilization of funds. Utilization of the funds. Yeah. Means and utilization of the funds here. Even they will make sure that regular and sufficient supply for funds for business. Means they will supply the funds here, regular and sufficient funds. It helps to regular and sufficient fund supply to business, and here they will, which is help to share the business, means it is which is make sure that they will sufficient return to the shareholders. Means it is make sure, means compulsory, make sure they will return sufficient, they will return the sufficient funds to investors, and which is, and it is make sure they will maintain or structured sound capital. They will structure the sound capital. Make sure they can structure the sound capital. This is objectives of business. Okay, and even if they want to invest effectively, okay, it helps to invest effectively or safely with safe they are going to invest the money here. Okay, and next is, first we have to understand the objectives. If you understand the objectives means you can frame importance also. These are all importances things. These are all functions is there. We can frame. First, we need to understand the objectives. With the help of that objectives, they are going to plan in the organization. I told many times, if they want to plan, it's compulsory. With the help of that objectives, they are going to plan it. Okay, objectives, utilization of the funds means the organization they are utilizing the funds here. Means the financial management, it is the main aim, it is utilizing the funds effectively. For that purpose, they are going to plan, they are going to organize, they are going to direct, they are going to control and administrating. What purpose they are doing? These are all functions of management means for utilizing the funds in here. If they utilizing the funds means at that time they will getting the more profit. With less cost, means they will producing the goods and services with less cost, high quality. How they utilizing the funds means, see here, with less cost. With less cost, and they will produce the high quality products. Like that, they will utilize in the funds. At the time, we are getting the more profit. Means quality products if they will produce means compulsory. The customers they will take and they will purchase the goods and services. At the time, we can get the more profit. For that purpose, main function and main objective for financial management is utilization of funds. Okay, and next is it is help to regular and sufficient funds supply. Yes, the finance which is help to regular supply. Sufficient funds means how much funds they are required, they will supply. Funds, what purpose they will using means buying materials and buying the machineries, assets and paying the bills and day-to-day transactions, for purpose, office for expenses, purchasing stationery. For that purpose, we are going to use the money here. Okay, what purpose we are using the funds here means purchasing and paying the bills and paying the salary. For that purpose we are using means the financial management, the main objectives means the sufficient funds they will supply here. How much we require? Example, I require to run the business in this month 10 lakhs means they will give 10 lakhs. Otherwise they can't run the business effectively. Okay, how much funds they require means that much funds they will give. Okay, next it is make sure and they will return the sufficient return to the investor. Yes, they will make sure means compulsory they have to return some money, some returns. Means the returns to investor, it is always depends upon the marketing share and earning capacity, marketing share, earning capacity and expectation of shareholders. Always it depends upon the we want to return the sufficient return to the shareholders means it should be depends on marketing share price. Marketing share price, if it is high means at the time we will get the more profit. At the time we will return the sufficient funds. If it is not there, marketing price means low price, if it is there means we are getting losses. We can't return the funds to investors. That is also main drawback for business. So that is the main reason. If they want to invest funds means compulsory they have to two times or three times they have to think, and after that they have to invest here. Means where they will invest? Means they will invest in assets, mutual funds, and in gold. In gold they will invest the money here. Where they will get more money means in that they will invest in. Example, if mutual funds, if you will invest in mutual funds means if you will get more profit means there they will invest here. They have to invest here only. If you will invest in gold means we are getting more profit means at the time we have to invest in gold. If you will invest in assets means we are getting more profit means we have to invest in assets. Means before investing they have to think, and after that they have to invest here. Okay, and even earning capacity means if they have knowledge about the investment. If the businessman have knowledge about the investment means at the time if they can invest effectively, and even he can generate the reasonable profits. Otherwise they can't invest the money here. If he is not there, he don't have any knowledge about the investment means, if he will investment means at the time what will happen? They are getting the losses. That is the main reason. If they want to invest means compulsory they need knowledge about the investment. Okay, if they have investment knowledge means at the time we can get the profits. That is earning capacity, knowledge about the investment. Next is expectation of the shareholders. Means what they are expecting means if they will expect more profit means at the time we have to give more profit. If we are not getting profit means at the time what will happen? They will not invest. Even we have to see expectation of a shareholders also. These are all which will be including return of investment. If they want to return sufficient funds means it should be depends upon always market share, earning capacity, and expectation of shareholders. Okay, and the next is it is make sure means it is make sure they will maintain or structured sound capital. Means why they structure sound capital? Why they are going to structure the sound capital? Otherwise, why they are preparing the sound capital structure? Why they are preparing means the sound capital structure which is balance between the debt and equity capital, which is help to the sound capital structure, which is help to balance between the debt and equity capital. Debt means how much money we have to give to another person. Example, loan. I took loan from bank. I have to pay. Like that. That is debt. Means equity capital means how much money we have. How much money we have means how much we have to pay. The sound capital structure means it is they have 10 lakh, means within the 10 lakh they have to plan how, and we have to purchase, and we have to give this money, we have to give this much money to other person, we have to pay loan to bank. In that 1 lakh rupees they have to plan for all things. That is sound capital structure. If they have more money means that time they will prepare the sound capital structure. The sound capital structure which is help to balance between the debt and equity capital. Means here how much money they have, that is sound capital. How much money they have to pay, that is debt. Okay? Means the sound capital structure which is balanced between the debt and equity capital. At that time we can earn the more money, even we are in the safe zone of the business. Okay? And next is it is help to invest the effectively. It is help to invest the effectively with save. Means we will invest the money in the organization. If we will invest the money in the organization means first we have to invest the money in effectively in assets. Otherwise we can't generate the profits here. If we will not generate the profits means it is the waste, and even we are getting the investment, it should be includes fixed capital, working capital also. That is the main reason. If they want to invest means compulsory they have to twice they have to think, and after that they will invest. Okay, if they have knowledge about the investment means at that time they can invest, and even we can gain the more money. Okay, this is objectives of the financial management. Okay, see students, here 5 points is there. Utilization of the funds which is help to regular and sufficient fund supply. Means utilizing the fund. The main function of the main objective is the financial management, utilization of the funds, and even it should be regularly supply the fund. What purpose they will supply means we have to purchase materials, and we have to purchase building assets, and we have to pay the salary. For that purpose they are supplying the funds here. Means it is make sure they will return the sufficient funds. Sufficient return to the sufficient fund to the investment. Means investors. It is make sure the earning. It is always depends upon the make sure. Depends upon the marketing share and earning capacity, expectation of the shareholders. And next is it is a very important and should prepare in the organization. Make sure they will prepare the sound capital structure. What purpose they will prepare means it is help to balance between the debt and equity capital, and which is help to invest the money in safely. This is objectives. Okay, we have discussed what do you mean by finance, what do you mean by business finance, and what do you mean by financial management, definition of the financial management, objectives of the financial management we discussed in this class. Okay, next class we will discuss importance of financial management. Thank you students for listening this session.